Hello and welcome to Tech Tools for Geneabloggers, Series 2, Evernote. Tip 2 is how to manage the navigation within your Evernote page. You're now looking at my Evernote account, and we're looking for the moment at a set of cards that you can see here in the middle column. And on the right-hand side is the actual note with the data regarding that ancestor. And in this collection, I am recording just information about me and my grandparents and getting my notes in order for that group of ancestors. I can go directly to that notebook from here, and I can share this once I'm ready. And I'm hoping that this might be useful for you if you're sharing and collaborating with others as you build the data from your research. Now, I use Find My Past and Ancestry.com to do much of my research and build my family tree. And often I will use notes here to record the transcripts of that research. And on this page, you're seeing one of those. It's the transcript of the baptism of my grandparent, who is the son of Harry Cutting and Emma Newland, and that is his baptism, where you can see details of his parents. And I can highlight that information using some of the tools on the note itself. All sorts of editing tools are included here, the type of font, size, and so on, and also how it's arranged on the page. So very much like a Word document. Now, over on the left-hand side is your main navigation toolbar. And you'll notice that we have a home page. Let's go there and have a look. And this is how it looked when we first came in. And we see at the top in this widget the most recent of the notes that I've been working on. On the right-hand side is another widget where I have listed the tasks for me. Again, on the left-hand side, you've got shortcuts to those notes that you may have highlighted with a star. You can directly add notes here and tasks. The notebooks are the main driving force behind your Evernote account. And here you'll see the list of all of my notebooks arranged using mainly the surname and where they're located in my ancestral line. I can open and close the list of notebooks whenever I want. Below that, I can see tags, which allow me to add specifics to the notes that I put in my notebooks. It might be that I would like to add a tag to indicate whether or not this note contains a census or whether it's related to a particular family. And later I can filter to find all those. I'll show you those in subsequent tips. And we'll look at sharing a bit later as well. Now that you're on the home page, here it's giving us the recent notes, but I will also change that to suggested notes. And below that, I have my scratch pad, which reminds me of the things that I've learned to do while still using Evernote over the past 6 months or so. And on the right-hand side is a list of web clips that I have recently gathered or captured and added to my notes in Evernote. There's quite a lot of information on the home page to look at, But don't worry, because mostly you'll go straight to a notebook. Let's open one. Go back to me and my grandparents. And you want to start working on a note, or you might want to create a note. So in the next session, I'll show you how to do exactly that. I'll show you how to create these notebooks and how to add notes to them. If you're looking for more information and you want to try out Evernote for yourself, I do encourage you to have a look at the course in my academy called Coaching in Ancestral Storytelling, where I look at details of how to use Evernote. And there are other free courses there for you to choose at coachcaroleonline.thinkific.com.